Good morning. It's 9 a.m. and we're gonna go work out because I got a gym membership at LA Fitness. Oh, okay, you guys. So I just got back from the gym. I have to shower and I have to get ready to go to the studio for my classes in a little bit. But today's video is brought to you by DOSSIER, baby. So if you guys don't know who DOSSIER is a perfume brand that recreates high luxury fragrances for a fraction of the cost. They are incredible, they are identical, they are the moment. They've really perfected these formulas so that we can smell rich on a budget. I mean, who wouldn't want that? You want to be bougie? Do it on a budget, babe, because you don't have to be going out and spending $500 on a designer fragrance because DOSSIER recreates them for you. I got your back. Let me put you on. This month's perfume that I got is different from a perfume I've gotten before, but since we're getting into colder months, I wanted something spicy and warm. I got spicy vanilla. Doesn't that just sound delicious to you? So this is inspired by a Tom Ford perfume. I have been so excited about getting this because I really want to smell like a yummy winter fragrance, you know what I mean? And I feel like something spicy but vanilla is like warm enough for a nice cold season fragrance. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my god, that's actually crazy. These, by the way, like these perfumes by DOSSIER, since I've been using exclusively DOSSIER perfumes for a long time now, these last you all day, all night. So basically, if you want to take this scent off of your body, you have to shower. That's how long that they last. They are freaking incredible. They are so good. The formulas are delicious. The scents are exactly what you imagine them to be. Also, if you buy a perfume and you don't like it, you can return it, no questions asked, which is great for perfume shopping online. This has nutmeg, black pepper, lemongrass, rose, patchouli, orris, vanilla, amber, and something called opopanax. I've put so many people onto DOSSIER and I will put so many more on because I feel like everyone deserves to live in luxury. Not everyone can afford like a $500 perfume. That's not practical. Like that's not possible for everyone, but we still deserve to smell like that. Like we still deserve to live in luxury. That's why I love DOSSIER so much, because they make luxury accessible for people like us who want to smell like that but can't afford to smell like that. Now you can. Their fragrances start at $29, but because we're in the holiday season, DOSSIER is having flash sales right now. They have a lot of deals going on. You guys know that Black Friday is coming up, right? I'm really excited about it. DOSSIER partakes in Black Friday, baby. So get yourself onto the website. Everything is linked in my description box. You can get 3 perfumes for 20% off. 4 perfumes for 25% off. 5 perfumes, you get 30% off. 6, 7, 8 perfumes, you get 35% off. They also are having up to 45% off flash sale on their website right now. Hello? I would really take advantage of the sale that they're having right now. You can use it on top of my discount code, which is AMI10. Use the link in my description box. Let me know what perfume is your favorite because they have so many. I promise you, like, if there's something that you're looking for, DOSSIER definitely has it. Let's just get right back into it. Look at this pink fluffy chair that I made. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because you would see I posted when I made that. It looks amazing. This is what I'm wearing to the studio today. I'm gonna be making more of my skull mirrors and working on my final and some classes. So I'll see you guys later. Look at them. Hello. Hello, little crickets. And then there's Lucy. Are you helping? Hello. How are you holding up, buddy?
They don't have names.
They don't have names. That's so fucked up, by the way. Oh, little babies. You're so scary. Are you hungry? Oh, fuck. Hey. Hello. Hello. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, hi there, my loves. It is like a couple days later, I won't lie to you, I have to clean Spencer's tank because I haven't in over a week, which is bad mom, I know. So I'm gonna clean his tank, and then I actually got him a live mouse. I've never fed him a live mouse before, so hopefully he likes it. But look at him. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean his tank, feed him his mouse. I'm doing some laundry as well, and then you guys are gonna get ready with me. I have to go to the gym and everything, but today was my last day of school. I finished my quarter. Very exciting. So I just gotta get ready. I'm gonna be flying to New York in like 2 weeks for a little while to see Cielo, which I'm really excited about. The noise in the background is my dog eating a bone. Ignore my messy house, please. We're getting into the get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere, really. I'm gonna go see that boy that you guys saw earlier. I like to start from scratch, so I like to shower and then get ready from there, because then it's like having a clean, hello, are you good? Because then it's like having a blank canvas, like a clean slate to work with. So let's go shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair. I'm just gonna like exfoliate, shave, body wash, face wash. That's just kind of what I do. And then obviously you take your clothes off to shower, right? Okay, so step one, I exfoliate. I use this like raw sugar. I turn my water off so you can hear me. Raw sugar, sugar scrub, and lemon sugar. This smells so good. I just take a scoop and I'm putting it on my leg. I exfoliate, look at my toes, oh my god. I exfoliate my whole legs before I shave, because that's what you should be doing, ladies. Okay, after I exfoliate, this is the shaving cream I've been using. It's the Brazilian Bear Shave Syrup. This smells so good. I get it at Target. I also get my exfoliator from Target. So I basically just pop this bad boy open and I just squirt it on my, hello, I squirt it on my leg. You don't need too much. And I just, you know, put that on. It doesn't get like thick or foamy. Bro, my feet. And also my skin looks like Kobe Jack cheese. Please don't pay attention to my flaws. Anyways, I just smooth this around my whole leg on my skin, bro. And then I use a men's razor because they are better and cheaper than a woman's razor. And I just shave like normal. Okay, so after I shave, usually I've been using this because it smells really, really good. But I just got a new body wash from Method Body. This one is the Citrus Ginger Sea Buckthorn one. And this smells so good. I haven't used it yet, so I actually think I'm gonna use this one. After I'm done washing my body, I wash my face. I've been using this different cleanser. It's pretty good. My skin's not great, so I try to use this because I'm trying to get rid of my acne.
He was like, how's the collab content coming? And I was like, I don't get to see her until the 25th. Sad.
It is sad, but I can't wait for you to be here. I'm talking to
Ashley.
Ashley.
He was like, no, what can we do to get you out there sooner? And I was like, literally, babe, like, unfortunately, nothing.
You'll be here soon, buddy.
Yeah, no, I know, I'm really excited.
I know, I miss you.
Eating, like, dying, bro. Next time I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna be like, Liz, like, and then afterwards, I was freezing because of how much I sweat. You know, like when you sweat and the wind, like it's drying off, you get cold.
Yeah.
Because it's how your body cools itself down. So I was just like so cold because my sweat was evaporating. My pedicure was done.
Bro, like for real, dog, like, that's so concerning. Like that's what fainting is. You're gonna get really tired because it's kind of a long drive. And that's 3 hours.
You guys are getting 2 separate suitcases. Yes, you agree with me. Yeah. 620 or so. Like, what do I have to do to open a self-fresco down here? And they ship the water from Connecticut that they use to make their pizza dough in Connecticut. I bet you she's about to call me. She's gonna be like, Ashley, where are you going?
I think it's just because we're from New York, so it's like anything that's not New York is like not real.
the other day.
Oh,
or
really?
Maybe like a week ago. I'm moving to Yeehauville in Georgia or some shit, and I'm just gonna live my country girl fantasy.
I'm really living my country girl fantasy too.
Or by the way. Anyhow. Yeah, you're really living your country girl fantasy, bro. Like,
Girl, I
for real,
know.
for real.
It's so good.
No, it really is.
I'm like super into it, honestly.
No, I'm glad. I'm really glad.
It's so fucked. Sorry guys, I know I've been on the phone, but it was Ashley and I would do anything for her. Anyways, this is my NARS palette. It's like a blush highlighter duo. It's really old and probably expired, but this highlighter, like, I don't even know, it's, oh yeah, it's like orgasm highlighting. That's what it's called, orgasm highlighter. Anyways, it's literally so good. It's really pigmented, but like, whatever. So I just put that like pretty high up on my cheekbones into my brow bone, and then on like my nose and like the tops of my eyebrows and my chin. Okay, so I put the eyeliner on and then I take an eyeliner brush and I just sharpen it and smudge it. Then I go in with an eyeshadow palette and I go in with black and I just basically go over it just to mattify everything. The only hack I know if you have hooded eyes is to put translucent setting powder over your eyeliner, basically just to make sure that it doesn't crease. Look how gorgeous. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this in like my tear ducts. Look how pretty that is. Okay, makeup is done. Simple. And now I gotta get dressed and I'm kind of in a rush, so yeah. Good morning, it's the next day. I have a lot to do today, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys watched all the way to the end, thank you so much. I love you so much, and yeah, bye.